Okay, welcome back to the Land Rover Toolbox videos. It's a bit of a tool review here. We've recently fitted a clutch to a 300 TDI engine, and there'll be a tutorial coming up on this. The thing with this is that you need to finally torque up the bolts evenly so the pressure plate is clamped down properly. And it's quite vital. Some people don't bother. Some of us don't bother using a torque wrench at all. Sometimes you get a feel for non-essential components that they can be nipped up and you roughly know where the torque's at. In other areas you do need to use a torque wrench, especially with aluminium. Okay, I'll show you this torque wrench first of all. This will do up to 4 Newton meters or 3.9 Newton meters, which isn't much at all. We might be using this on a gearbox soon. And I want to give you also a heads up that any garage worth their salt will have torque wrenches calibrated every year. Any torquing done that is essential is also logged with the torque wrench number. Now with a clutch plate you need to torque it. Introducing a nice little torque wrench that we found by SIP Industrial Tools. They must have been watching Star Wars to come up with a name for a tool range. Force. And this is actually a force to be reckoned with. There's the logo. Have a butcher's, have a look at it, because these are surprisingly very good tools. This torque wrench set, which has this torque wrench, micrometer type. You don't find many different types these days. They usually are micrometer. The handle is absolutely fantastic for gripping, especially for comfortable work if you're doing a lot of it. Torque range is from 19 Newton meters to 110 Newton meters, and it has a lovely 3/8 drive ratchet head on it. It also has some other shiny bits in the box with the torque wrench. I'm sure you know what these are, don't have to worry about them. SIP Industrial Tools have been around for a while now, and if you go to any workshop you'll find their equipment. I have a balance beam from them to use with my engine crane. Well, this is a range of tools that's worth talking about, so if I were you I'd go and use the force, Luke. Okay, cheers.